Okay, so we want to solve our x. Now, to do this type of problem, the first thing I need to do, I need to isolate the radical. Okay, so how do I get it by itself? Well, I add x to both sides. And so I have square root 4 minus x equals x plus 2. Okay, now to get rid of this radical, well, let's think about it. This is a square root, so the inverse of the square root is the square function. Now if I square the left side, I've also got to square the right side. So this becomes just 4 minus x, but this side over here, whenever I square it, I caution you to not just write out x squared and then plus 4. This is one of the most common mistakes in college algebra. So try to write it out and then distribute. And I think you'll find that you get a 2x and then another 2x, which actually makes a 4x, and then the 4. Okay? So we need to get everything to one side and see if it'll factor, and if not, then we'll have to do something else. So plus x, and then minus 4 and minus 4. So 0 equals x squared plus 5x, and then the 4 and negative 4 cancel. So is there anything in common between these two that we can factor out? Sure is. I can factor an x out here, and I have x plus 5. Okay, this is cool because now I can set each piece equal to 0. All right, and so this one here, x equals 0, or this one here, x equals negative 5. Okay, but we've got a little bit of a problem, all right? When we squared our expressions on each side of our equal sign, we actually introduced unknowns. So we actually multiplied, we introduced new variables, and then so that means that we could have extraneous solutions. All right, so we have to check. So you must check your solution. Okay? So if I plug a 0 into the original, all right, that gives me 4 minus 0, and then I have minus 0 equals 2. So this square root of 4, is that equal to 2? Sure is, so this one does work. So x equals 0 is a solution. If I check negative 5, I have 4 minus a negative 5, and then minus a minus 5 equals 2. Let's see if it works. So if I plug this in, I get 9 square root of 9 plus 5. So what is this? This is 3 plus 5. Is that equal to 2? No, that's not equal to 2. Therefore, this is not a solution. So x equals 0 is the only solution. Turns out that this one right here is not a solution. All right, cool.